FightCamp Elite Boxing System app. The pros, the cons. Most people think you need a real boxing gym to train like a fighter, but FightCamp proves otherwise. The FightCamp Elite Boxing System brings professional-grade boxing workouts right into your living room. Let's break down the pros and cons to see if it packs a punch. Starting with the pros. FightCamp combines smart technology with high-intensity boxing routines that keep you engaged. It includes punch trackers that measure speed, punch count, and output, giving you real-time stats during every session. The app connects to interactive video classes led by expert trainers who guide you through each combo and round. One of the best parts about FightCamp is its community-driven energy. You can compete on leaderboards, track personal records, and challenge friends, all from your phone. The workouts are intense but fun, blending cardio, strength, and skill training into one session. The setup is also convenient. It includes a freestanding bag, gloves, and wraps everything you need to start training immediately. The app offers beginner-friendly lessons and advanced fight drills, so you can grow your skills at your own pace. Now, for the cons. The equipment takes up space, and the cost can be significant, especially with the ongoing membership fee. You'll also need good form to avoid injury, and since the app doesn't offer live correction, it's best for those comfortable with self-guided training. In conclusion, the FightCamp Elite system is perfect for people who love high-energy workouts and want to unleash their inner fighter at home. It's motivating, interactive, and delivers a serious cardio burn. If you're looking for a fun alternative to traditional fitness, FightCamp will keep you punching toward your goals.